Realme A3 the budget king? ZK Mobile. Welcome to ZK Mobile, your go-to channel for the latest smartphone updates. Today, we're talking about the Realme A3, an upcoming budget smartphone that's making waves with its rumored features and competitive pricing. Let's dive into what we know so far. Design display. The Realme A3 is expected to feature a sleek design with a modern 6.5-inch HD Plus display, providing an immersive viewing experience. With slim bezels and a smooth finish, it aims to deliver a premium feel at an affordable price. Performance software. Under the hood, the device is rumored to be powered by a MediaTek Helio G85 processor, making it a solid choice for everyday tasks and light gaming. It could run on Realme UI 5.0, based on Android 14, ensuring a smooth and feature-rich user experience. Camera setup. For photography lovers, the Realme A3 might sport a dual-camera setup with a 50MP primary sensor and a 2MP depth sensor for improved portrait shots. The 8MP front camera should be decent for selfies and video calls. Battery charging. With a 5,000 mAh battery, the Realme A3 is expected to last all day on a single charge. It may also support 18 watts fast charging, helping you get back to full power quickly. Pricing. Availability. Realme is known for its aggressive pricing, and the A3 is likely to be priced under $150, making it an attractive choice for budget-conscious buyers. The official launch date is still unknown, but we'll keep you updated. That's all for today's video. Stay tuned to ZK Mobile for more tech updates, and let us know in the comments, would you buy the Realme A3?